That way when your Harbor Freight jack stands give out, you don't die. Okay, so where you're going to start, you have to take this bolt out here, slightly loosen this one. Behind this is another bolt that holds this arm, which you will have to take out so the arm drops, so you have enough room to get this out. And you'll have to loosen the subframe on the rear and drop it down quite a little bit. And then inside the trunk, you have a few bolts. And I almost forgot, there's one on this side, and 2 on this side that you have to get out as well. And once you do all that, it'll start to look a little something like this. And that's where that hidden bolt it was. This here hides it, and then right there. After doing all that, you finally almost have enough room to get it out with a little persuasion. Couple taps with the hammer and a little prying, and it does drop out.